Hi, today we'll try to take a look inside these two things. The first one here is the flight motor of the TOW missile, and the second one is a laser seeker from a Maverick missile. So it is effectively possible to unscrew the plastic dome here, and this permits to get access a little bit to the internal here. So using an inspection camera, it is maybe possible to see what is inside. I think there is a gap of 5 or 6 millimeters. For that purpose, I bought two inspection cameras. The first one is this little thing. I bought this one from RS Components. The price is approximately 150 euros plus tax. And the second one is more expensive. This is this thing. I bought this one from Farnell. The price is more expensive, 330 euros plus tax. So we kill two birds with one stone. We will see what is inside these two things, and also we will have a comparison between these two inspection cameras. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so inside there is this very small manual. Okay, so this thing is very simple. So actually there is no possibility to connect this thing to a computer. It is neither not possible to store an image on the flash memory or something like that. The resolution of the sensor is VGA. One important thing is the diameter of the sensor. So this one is 8 millimeters. So I think it is too large for the laser seeker. Okay, so we need the 4 batteries. Okay, so this thing is called the borescope. The head is here. It's not very practical, okay. So this is the total length, approximately 50 centimeters. Okay. So let's start to see what is inside the flight motor of that missile. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Okay, so I think it is possible to store a picture. Okay. So there is a menu here, maybe. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. And this permits to change the intensity, probably. Yes, so that thing. This is a digital zoom, of course. This is the complete resolution of the sensor. Otherwise, there is a resolution of the screen, I think. Okay, so let's see what we can see on the whole here. There is nothing special. Okay, so this was the first test with the flight motor of the TOW missile. So let's see if we can see what is inside this thing, but I don't think that the sensor can penetrate in the gap of that thing. Yes, it will be difficult to see something, but let's try. Yeah, it is impossible to see something. Okay, so the diameter of the head is too large for that thing. So there is also a flash lamp here. It is quite strong. Okay, so this thing is limited. Well, it is interesting because it is very simple to use. One problem is the diameter of the head. It is 8 millimeters, so there is a limitation. Also, it is not possible to store images on flash memory. It is not possible to connect that thing to a computer. Okay, so let's see the second one. Okay, the second camera is more serious. Okay, so let's see what we have on that suitcase. So we have here different adapters for the charger. Okay, so I will use only the European adapter. Okay, so there is the flash memory, 16 gigabytes. There is a kind of holder. Interesting. Okay, so this is very light. Okay, so the sensor head is here. The diameter is smaller. I think it's 5 millimeters or something like that. There is a protective thing here. Okay, so we can check the diameter of that thing. Okay, the diameter is effectively 5.2 millimeters. Okay, so the length of the cable is approximately 1 meter. Okay, and this is the small monitor. It is possible to place the monitor up to 10 meters from the head. It is also possible to connect an external monitor using this cable. There is a composite video output. Okay, and this can be connected also, like so. Okay, and this is the compartment for the batteries. 4 batteries are required. Yes, okay, I didn't see the second pair here. Oops. And there is an LED which is illuminated. Okay, so this is the on-off button here. This is the potentiometer. This is maybe used to adjust the luminosity of the light here. Yes, okay. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I need to charge the batteries. Okay, so I will test the charger. Yes. The user manual is written in different languages: English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese. Okay, so I don't think that you need to read the manual to use this thing. Okay, so this thing is a magnetic holder. Okay, so we can see the specifications. Okay. Okay, so let's do the same test then with the previous camera, with the flight motor. adjust the light. It is practical to have the possibility to adjust the light with this knob here. Okay, the camera is recording. Okay, so let's see now if we can see something behind the mirror of that thing. Okay, so we can see it is possible to separate the monitor from the sensor itself. So we try to bend a little bit the head like this. Okay, so maybe it should be possible to see something like that. It is not obvious. In conclusion, it is not obvious to see what is below this mirror